Hello everyone. I'm Safi and I'm Sip and I'm Sara and I'm Poms. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Safi and Sara's Crafty Corner. Hello everyone. I'm Safi and I'm Sara. Today we're going to show you every Christmas thing we both did when we were little. And we're gonna show you about all our Christmas stuff. Yeah, all our Christmas stuff we made.
Well, how long have you been making these things?
One little.
Since you were little?
Yeah.
Okay, so who would like to show?
When I was 3 and Alpha was 5.
Okay, let's see what you've got. Who's going to show the first thing?
Me!
Okay. What's that, Sara?
Snowman.
It's a snowman. Oh my goodness. I think you did this when you were around 2, Sara. How did you make it, Sara?
Paper.
Did you cut them out?
Yeah.
Did you get some help?
Yeah.
I love it.
Look!
It's so cute. Perfect. Now, Safi, your turn. You show us something.
Okay.
What would you like to show us that you made?
I made.
Oh, wow.
I made it.
How did you make it?
So first we got a wooden piece of triangle, cardboard, and then we got then the teacher had to cut some little lines, and then we had to get a rope and then thread and then make a little pattern, and then we had to cover it in foil.
Yeah.
And then flatten it out really good and smoothing it. And then we had to color this bit, like the ones without the lines on it.
Wow.
Like this bit.
It's beautiful.
And then we had to stick it with Velcro onto here.
Wow, I didn't know it was stuck on Velcro. That's beautiful. What's inside it, love? Wow. Well,
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Love from Safi.
I love this. And did you do all the drawings on the front?
Yeah.
It's beautiful. Let me show everyone how that looks. It's really lovely with that foil and the colours, isn't it? That's super crafty, Sophia. I love it. I'm going to pop that up for us all to look at. Now, Sara, would you like to show us something you made?
There.
Go on then, darling. Wow, what's that, Sara?
Plate. Is it a plate?
It's a Santa plate. Oh, did you cut all of these hearts out?
Yeah. Look at this.
Wow. I think Sara was only how old? 2 or 3? 3?
3.
Wow, and you've got a second plate there as well, haven't you? So Sara's cutting out and gluing. That's super good, Sara. Now, Safi, your turn. How about this tree?
Rudolf. Yes. I made this, but I can't remember when I made it or how I made it.
It was a very long time ago. You were very young, but look at all of the beautiful... Oh, you made that with me. I remember it. You made it when you were very little, and I helped you put glitter all over it and glue all over it, and you painted it with paint sticks, remember?
No.
And then you glued you probably don't remember, it was so long ago. We've got these lovely pipe cleaners as well, and some fluffy clouds, cotton wool. Yes, I remember making this with you. It was beautiful.
Why isn't that brown?
You can colour that in and finish it off if you like. Okay, I think you were about 2 or 3 for that. So now it's Sara's turn. Sara's turn. What would you like to show, Sara? Oh, go on in. Can you show them in the middle there?
Dada.
Oh, lovely penguin. Did you make that?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
How did you make it?
Out of papers.
Out of papers?
Yeah.
And foil?
Yeah.
I love that. And you got glitter on there as well?
Yeah.
Wow, let's show them that. That's Sara's.
And inside.
And did you make that in daycare?
Yeah.
It's
Not
inside.
daycare, playgroup.
Playgroup. Oh, that's lovely.
Dada.
Thank you for showing us, sweetheart. Oh, nice snow in the background as well. Look at the snow. That's so cool. Now it's Safi's turn. What would you like to show us? How about this, my darling? They got lanky legs.
I made this elf. I think in playgroup.
It was in playgroup. And look at the big long boots.
It can reach up to your hair.
You can put your legs over your shoulders, can you?
Yeah.
You're very flexible. Oh, I love it. And you look very Are you grumpy there? Your autograph looks so funny. I love your big ears and your hat. I love that. That's gorgeous. That's so
I
funny.
think I was 2.
You were 2.
How
2
do you
years
know?
old. Because I remember you bringing it home for me. I was so happy. Now it's Sarah's turn. Sarah, how about you show them this and this? These two you made at the same time, didn't you?
I made that.
Oh, did you make it?
Mhm.
I really like it. I'm sure you made a reindeer as well, didn't you?
No, I don't think. I only made a snowman. Yeah.
There's a reindeer, yeah. Right, Sarah, if you want to show those two lovely fellas.
Yeah.
Did you make this, Sarah?
Halal.
I love those two. They're very funny looking. Now, Sarah, what would you like to show us?
Yes.
Go and show it then and tell us about it.
Card.
You made a card. Did you glue all those stickers on it?
Don't know. I can't remember.
You did. It was so long ago you can't remember. Yep, it's got your name inside. You made this by gluing all these lovely
I
stickers
see
on.
inside.
I think you were about 2, baby.
Oh,
Oh, you'll have to write
inside?
something inside, won't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. How about showing us what this is?
No.
What then?
Angel.
Let's see the angel then. Show the angel. Oh, they can't see it that way. They have to look at it that way. I love the cutout of the paper.
Plant.
Oh, beautiful little angel. Made of paper and a toilet roll and some foil. Isn't that cute? I love it, Soraya. Do you want to show another one?
Yeah.
Or what about this one? You haven't showed this one.
No.
No, okay. What then?
Foot.
Go on then.
It,
Oh, very nice stickers. Very Christmassy.
and
I didn't know it opened.
five.
Oh, a handprint. How lovely. Thank you, Soraya.
Rudolf.
Oh, how did you make it?
Put handprints on it and do a face and smile and put some tissue paper and eye on it.
That's beautiful, my love. Lovely. That's gorgeous. I can see the eye rolling around. I think the other eye fell off, didn't it?
Yeah.
Well, tell us about this one. We haven't seen that one yet.
White bulb.
It's a bauble.
No, white bulb.
Okay. Does it look like a light bulb?
Yeah, white bulb.
What do you think, Safi?
No. It doesn't look like
What does it look like?
a bauble. Glitter, glitter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I like this.
Do you? Should we hang it?
Yeah.
Yes, we will hang it up then. Okay, let's pop that over here. Now, Safi, would you like to show something of yours? Have you
There's
got-
a pad.
Yes, you can.
What's this?
Oh, what's this, Safi? You made this when you was a baby.
Can I show this?
Yeah, of course you can.
Sophia. This one's for you. This is. Ho ho ho. Not bad to away a Merry Christmas from Sophia.
Perfect.
Holly.
Holly!
This is Holly.
I love your little... It's lovely. It's made out of foam card, isn't it? I love that. Thank you, Soraya. What have you got there, Safi?
Sarah made this when she was a baby.
Oh, it's so cute. Is it a house?
Yeah.
It's lovely.
House.
She did lots of stamping on that. Let's see what that is, love. Another house. Wow. 2 houses. And did you paint all these, love?
Rudolph went away. Yeah.
Rudolf footprint. So let's read what that says. Safi, can you read it for me?
Yeah, this isn't just a reindeer, as you can plainly see. I made him with my tiny feet, a special part of me. Now, every time you look upon this reindeer, you recall December 2020, when my feet were very small.
Oh, that's lovely. That was Sarah's foot. There, it's a footprint. And there's a big round red nose. Wow. What else have we got? Anything else now? Oh, let's look at your little
Look at
ladybug.
Sarah's ladybug.
Oh, did she make that?
Yeah,
What'd she make it out of? Foam and pom-poms?
the sun.
And...
Googly eye.
Googly eyes.
And sticks.
And sticks. That's amazing.
And yours.
And she made did she make a bumblebee as well? Or frog?
Hat. I think that was a bee.
Oh, it was a bee.
Hat.
Let's see the hat.
No, it was a
Oh, they
frog.
made a lovely king's hat.
King
Royal
hair.
hat. They made a lovely royal hat. I love that. Thank you.
Calendar. Calendar.
Show us the calendar.
Calendar.
Oh, and these are Sarah's fingerprints. She did some finger painting and it looks lovely, like little gorgeous little lights. Lovely. I love this candle calendar. Thank you, Sarah. And finally, what we got here? Let's have a look. Snowman! Another one! You love doing snowmen. That's beautiful. Girls,
Open.
that's beautiful.
That's lovely.
What's this?
It's my Bauble.
Show them that then.
I dressed up as a Santa to do this in school.
You dressed up as Santa?
Yeah.
Did you really? It says to Sophia, love from Arlo. Oh, beautiful.
What's this one say? To Safi from Evie.
That one?
Nino.
To Soraya from
To
Sophia.
Safia from Olivia.
Okay, this one. Oh, that's not for you. That's somebody
That's for
else.
Daddy.
Yes.
What's this one for? Safi from Elias.
Oh. And there's
That
another
was
one.
for Mia.
Oh, that's
To
lovely.
Safi, I love Mia. This one.
Well, we can go grab it. There's hundreds more cards over here.
Merry Christmas, everyone! Merry Christmas, everyone!